All right, so the old man's going to teach us the proper way to crack open a coconut. So before you start that, hold on a second. As you can see, this is not a regular coconut. This is a special coconut. It's white, not brown as we typically see. So the skin on this is thinner, right, Dad? The
Yeah,
skin is thinner, and it's easier to crack it open.
thinner than brown
Right.
coconut.
Okay. So what are you gonna do? Wait. Oh, okay. What are you gonna do? Can you explain?
Okay, see the
Oh,
coconut
you are.
like this, then you hammer it. Oh,
Oh,
લાવ કપ ક્યાં છે?
hold on. I got it. All right. So we have success. So now I'm gonna walk over here.
બેટા અહીંયા લઈ આવો, કારણ કે પાણી ભારે પડશે.
That's okay. It's all right. We got our mason jar. Just make a little crack. This is all. It's a lot easier with a white coconut to crack it open. Look how much water's coming out of there. It's not even that big. That's as pure as it gets. Hold on, what that hostage.
ના હવે ને પતી ગયું.
What did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, instead of this side, you have to open on this side. Where is the three eye? 1, 2, and 3. This one is much easier to cut or open, but by mistake I did this side, then I go this side. But now already is a cut. Now we have to make a more cut.
Oh, that's the skin already.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there. Is it good?
Yeah, look like good.
Come on then. Do it.
આ તો
It doesn't
કોકના
matter.
પગમાં લાગશે ને.
So you're not hitting it too hard.
No,
You don't have to. Okay. Hold on. Here. Oh my God. Look at that. It's like
See?
Christmas morning. Wow. And that's where. So hold on a second. When we buy coconut water from the store, all that water that we're buying comes just like this.
no.
How do they?
Then the water coconut is a bigger, like this size.
Is that the green?
And totally green.
Oh, it's green.
Yeah.
That's different.
This is you can use for the cooking or any cooking stuff. Look at the skin is so thinner than other one.
Oh,
the
so-
green
So
coconut.
this skin, yeah.
No,
I see.
this skin is nothing.
So thin.
This skin white
Oh,
supposed to be thin is more sweeter and better.
wait. So if the thinner the white part is, the sweeter it is?
Yeah.
Huh. I didn't know that. We got gypped on this one. They cheat us, Dad.
Okay,
I'll put it
on
under.
that
Yeah, we'll
side,
do it
yes.
inside. All right. Well, Dad, say thank you for watching. Wait. Thank you for watching.
Oh, thank you for watching. I don't know too much coconut, but one time by mistake, I buy like this coconut. From that coconut, this outside skin is so thin, then inside the coconut is more sweeter than, but this coconut, we don't know how it will come. But when we go inside the kitchen, then we will figure out which one is better. But you
Don't worry, Dad. Dad, I'll do it inside. All right. So the key is don't kill it altogether. Work it.
No,
work around
little
it.
by little.
Little by little. Right.
If it's cut more, if you hit slowly and cut more, that is a better to your good luck.
He's the man.
Oh,
Look at it. It's all right. We don't need that. No, leave it. Leave it. I'll
no,
get it
need
then.
it.
No, I'll get it. Yeah.
better. I said, huh?
Yeah, but I'll pick it up later. Don't worry about it. My dad's concerned about everybody. You can't tell, but my dad had baseball arms when he was younger. Like forearms that were 20 inches in diameter. Those days are over, Dad. Unfortunately.
Chal, હવે અંદર.
All right, he doesn't want to talk to me. All right, thanks for watching, fellas. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you so much.